Yeah, my name is Venu. I am from Andhra Pradesh. In COVID situation, I was struggling to join any institute. At the time, my friend Prabhakar was referred to in this institute. It's so good to me is in this institute to join.
Okay, what course you got in here?
Yeah, I joined in Python full stack.
Python full stack.
Yeah.
Okay, now are you placed or you got?
Yeah, I placed in accenture in MNC company in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Now I have to. So in that institute, in our institute, the faculties are so good.
Okay.
Our management and trainers are so good. They give every information and every documentation or PDF. They give also some work in every day.
Oh, nice.
So from basics also they will say. Is there any doubt? At the time only they will they clear all the doubts from me, and they will give another day also they have some work also from that doubt only.
So along with training, they also help you with interview also, right?
Yeah. They give some mock interviews.
Okay.
In every 1 week they will give one mock interviews. Because of we got to in interview we get some fear, and then so we have to go on that develop in some fear like that.
Okay. You did online class or offline class?
I had done in online classes because of COVID situation.
Okay.
At the time there is no offline. Some institutes are not open. At the time also this institute is open. So the SDLC institute is so good to learn and join.
Cool. So you learned a lot, and the faculty is also good, you're saying.
Yes.
So we wish you all the best for your future. Venu.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And,
Yeah, thank you very much, and everyone good to join the SDLC institute. Thank you.
You recommend all the freshers to come here and train?
Yeah. Because
Why?
so the faculties are so good. So the trainers are from basics onwards they have to saying everything like in childhood like ABCD like that only they are saying everything for hours.
So anybody can learn?
Yeah, anybody can learn easily, and we get coding also we easily can do. Yeah. They help you prepare a resume, and they kept also some companies interviews and like that.
Okay. So they help you with getting interviews as well?
Yeah. They help me getting interviews and crack the interviews in MNC companies, or they mostly get the MNC companies only, not startups companies.
Okay, Venu, we wish you all the best for your future.
Yeah, thank you, sir.